I have to share this with you guys, man. Y'all pray for me, okay? I nearly took my finger off, man. I'm telling you, look. Nearly took my finger off. Oh, man. Nearly took my finger off. Look at it. Oh. Nearly took my finger off. Thank God for my neighbor. She got me my face, what am I saying? I'm talking out of my head now. My first aid kit. She got me a first aid kit. Oh. Got the first aid kit right here. I got everything and bandages and everything. Oh, first aid kit. Ooh, time it takes me to go sit down in the emergency right now. It's gonna be crazy in there. Gonna put some peroxide, clean it up, and put the bandage on it. That's up, mate. Ooh, I'm pretty good with a knife. Ooh, but the knife didn't cut me. The can did. Oh, nearly took my finger off. I'm gonna wash it up. Y'all pray for me, okay? This is crazy. Hey, tell you, if you can't open a mess up, hey, leave it alone. I'm so used to doing it with a knife anyway. It didn't look that bad anyway. But it hurt like a son of a gun, you know what I mean? It's starting to feel different now. Yeah, it's starting to feel different now. Oh, yeah, me. Okay. We just have to treat it. Do what I can. Y'all just pray for me, okay? I got some things coming up. I got some things I got to take care of. Oof. What a day, what a day. My day started off so good. Oof, this is messed up. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be alright though. Stop the bleeding though. I'm gonna get with the wifey and see if she can take me in then. Take me to the emergency room. Get a cut like this. It's not that deep. It stopped bleeding though. Oof. Oof. Y'all just pray for me, okay? Think I might have to see the doctor. I'm out. I ain't crying though. Ain't nothing peroxide and trusty old first aid kit can't fix. Did the job. Hey, no emergency room. What you looking at me for? I ain't in no emergency room.